I'm at a different shop today. Do you recognize it? You've been here before. I haven't. Who does this shop belong to? Look at all this stuff. And we're setting up this CNC with gang tooling. You know who it is.
Harding's tool 7, good. Cody turn, tool 1. And it's working in the positive.
You can't cuss in my videos.
Oh,
This is going on YouTube.
Oh, this is a YouTube thing? Oh, okay.
I gotta tell people where I've been all week.
Yeah, I'm the reason why y'all don't have pins to buy.
The store's still open, but nothing's gonna ship for a while.
Yeah, the Ultim project is on hold.
I can't finish those. Yeah, I did finish all the shaping though. So we are setting up gang plate tooling on Brooksy's CNC. We've got all the offsets set properly. We've run some parts. We're happy with everything. All we're doing now is resetting some of the measurements so that because of the old offsets don't work anymore. So we're gonna just run parts, and so far we're doing good. But yeah. But yeah.
So yeah.
And this is a shop with lots of stuff in it that's currently a little messy because things have had to be moved around a little bit. But that's cool.
Yeah, seriously.
Everyone loves shop photos and shop videos. This is all cool, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. These are the top secret micas that he uses. See Mad Micas? Those are the ones.
Not sponsored.
Do you like their product though?
I love it. They need to sponsor me though.
He doesn't have that many micas. Look at all that.
That's nothing. On the black shelving, the bottom two rows are boxes
down there.
full of
down
mica
there.
powders.
Woo, goodness.
Oh, I've got pounds and pounds of mica powders.
Yeah, and we can see he's even got safety equipment, that face mask.
Yeah, nice and dusty from lots of use.
Yeah, that's what it's for. Sweet. And of course, coffee.
That is kind of cool how it goes.
Mica powder.
Oh yeah, now it's covered. These are the ones you made.
Woo! All right, so I'm here in South Carolina with Jonathan Brooks. Say hi.
Hi.
And a lathe with An enclosure! Holy cow, look at that. Woo. That's what we did this morning. And then we had lunch and now we're back out. Now, Mr. Brooks is going to more or less be able to straighten back his shop. So it's workable again.
Yeah, so you can at least walk and get what you need.
There's lots of floor space. I wish I had this much space in my shop. Anyways, bye!
Great.
Yep. It's squeaking at me. Woo, look at that mess. That's super cool. Looks pretty nice and centered.
You can get closer.
Yeah, well, I have to zoom. So at the end of the day, at Carolina Pen Company, we get to watch people train their cool dogs. Where'd it go? Well, he went far.
Yeah, now you're at Carolina Canine Athletic Center.
So if you're in this part of the country, near Aiken, South Carolina, Shay's who you want to see.
Yeah, Shay Brooks, Carolina Canine Athletics Center.
Hazards like medics or back shops. When a regulations require all customers